Being able to feed our own soils with our own waste is pretty magical. There is not a single food scrap that leaves that building that doesn't come in here now. What we got going on here, guys, is what we call an in-vessel composting machine. What it does is it speeds up nature. This system creates the opportunity for Kids Food Basket to engage with the community on another level. We fill this with a couple different things, browns and greens. So your browns are gonna be really dry, carbon-rich materials. We choose wood chips. We get those donated to us from local tree companies. The other part is the greens. That's gonna be nitrogen-rich materials that have very high water content, like your food scraps. These are oranges that we're not gonna pass inspection inside for our sack suppers. And so instead of throwing them into a landfill, we're gonna compost them, turn them into beautiful, rich compost that can support our farming. We also have a local company down in Saugatuck, and they actually supply us with all of their extra grounds from their roasting every week. And this is actually considered a nitrogen source. And so we're able to compost that as well.
This is, I think, is the dream model for how composting can integrate into a community.
Thank you so much. Look at this. This is some of the best stuff you can put in here. This is going to break down really quickly.
Anything that's organic really can be composted. Nature has already set up the system to be able to break those materials down. All we're doing is enhancing the process.
And so I'm going to load this for you now. We are taking all that, putting it into here. You have the microorganisms that are down in there, and they are rapidly breaking down the organic material. And they're generating heat by doing that. 120. When we hit that 140 plus range, we're sterilizing this compost. We're killing weed seeds. And so in as little as 7 days, we end up with good compost.
You're avoiding methane emissions from landfills. And then you're creating a product that increases the fertility of soil. So then the plants grow better, they absorb more carbon dioxide, and so the whole cycle is improved by composting. And this system is the fastest, best way to make compost. You have to drill holes in it, yeah.
We love that Michael came alongside of us and helped us to procure this system to create a usable product that would normally cost quite a bit of money. That's closing our loop of sustainability even more, thanks to Green Mountain Technologies.